all, welcome back. Here is our next LeetCode problem, that is Roman to integer. So here the description says that Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols that are I, V, X, L, C, D and M, and value of each symbol is given here, and they have also given us an example of how we are going to write a Roman numbers. So 2 is written as a II and 12 is written as XII, which means X plus II, which is 10 plus 2. And in the same way 27 can be written as XXVII, which means XX plus V plus II. So let us understand it detailedly, and there are some restrictions also that we cannot write 4 as 4 consecutive ones. Instead we will be keeping an I before V, which makes it as a 4. And there are some other exceptions that they are given here. These are the conditions where we have to subtract the values. Here I used before V and X to make them 4 and 9, and X can be placed before L and C to make them 40 and 90, and C can be placed before D and M to make it 400 and 900. Let us understand how we have to convert a Roman to integer with any example. Let us take this one, MCMXCIV, as an example, and let us understand.
Let us take this example MCMXCIV. So the conversion of Roman to integer starts from right to left. So the conversion starts from right to left. It goes from V to M. So let us first consider the last symbol, that is V. V means 5. So now I have to check whether the before symbol value is less than or greater than the V or not. So the I value is 1. 1 is less than 5. It means I need to subtract 1 from 5. So it becomes 5 minus 1 as 4. Now this 4 becomes the combined value of IV. So 4 is the combined value of IV. Now I need to check whether C is greater than 4 or less than 4. C means 100. So 100 is greater than 4. So I need to add this 4 to 100. So 100 plus 4, it becomes 104. Now the next digit is X, where X is less than 104. X is nothing but 10. 10 is less than 104. So 10 is less than 104. I need to subtract 10 from 104. It means 104 minus 10, which means 94. Now I have to check 94. I'm having here. What is the next one? Next one is M. Value of M is 1000. So 1000 is greater than 94. So I'll be adding this 94 to 1000. It becomes 1094. Now the next one is C here. The value of C is what? C is 100. So 100 is less than 1094. So I am subtracting this 100 from here. So 1094 minus 100, it becomes 994. And the last one is M. M value is 1000. So 1000 is greater than 994. I'll be adding this 994 to this. So that is 1000 plus 994 becomes 1994. So the total value of MCMXCIV is 1994. The main logic you have to understand here is whenever the previous value is less than the the next value, then we are subtracting it. When it is greater, we are adding it. That is the only logic we have to do to convert this Roman to integer, and it should start from right and should end at left.
So we have understood the logic. Now let's put our logic into the code. So first we need to map all the symbols and values. So I am taking hash map. So I am writing like a map of character comma integer, and map is equivalent to new hash map. Sorry, new hash map, and I'm going to put all them into my hash map, that is map dot put of I comma 1, and again map dot put of v comma 5, map dot put of x comma 10, map dot put of map dot put of, after x we're having l comma 50, map dot put of c comma 100, map dot put of sorry, not about single quote, put of d comma 500, and map dot put of m comma 1000. So I have put all the values into my hash map, and now first we are starting it from the right to left, right? So I am taking a result variable where I am storing my last symbol in it, that is map dot get of s dot char at s dot length minus 1. So at that position, it means the last value I'm taking. And now my looping should start from the last to second value. It means my looping variable, that is I, should start from like s dot length minus 2, and my I should be greater than and equivalent to 0, because it's right to left. I need to use decrement operator, I minus minus. Inside this I need to check for the condition, that is if. So what the condition is, if the number is less than, we are going to subtract. If it is greater, we are going to add. So if map dot get of s dot char at I is less than map dot get of s dot char at I plus 1, it means the next one, I plus 1, then what I have to do, I need to subtract. From what I need to subtract it from my result, that is result minus is equivalent to map dot get of s dot char at what, I. So this I have to do. If not, so what would be my else condition? Else condition is nothing but the same thing, I have to add it. So else I'll be taking the same statement and I'm putting it here, but I need to change, it should not subtract, it need to add. And I have to return. What? I have to return my result. So return result. So let's run our code. So it's running. So there's an error. So what's wrong with this? Integer cannot be converted into the bool character. Where it, which line? I plus 1. So here it is map.get s dot character at I. Sorry, I need to close this and I did not close the brackets. Okay. Okay, now I think I can run. Yes, all test cases has been passed, and let us submit if there are any hidden test cases. So yes, there are no hidden cases and it passed. Hope you all understood this problem. I'll be coming back with the other LeetCode problem on next week. Until then, do subscribe my channel Chill with Bhumi and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Tata!